Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to preload Where Winds Meet game on PC. So open Steam, insert search for Where Winds Meet and then click on Where Winds Meet. Scroll down. Here you can see Preload Where Winds Meet game. So click on this Preload game option. Then select the drive in which you want to preload the game and then click on install. Click on this accept button. Now go to the library. Now here you can see the game is getting preloading on my PC. So by this way you can easily preload Where Winds Meet game on your PC. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.